Hi guys, this is Mom's Go-Tos again, and today we will be showing you how to make a Christmas tree box stand and how we set up our Christmas tree. So I wanted to put my Christmas tree in a box stand instead of putting a skirt around it, but when I was shopping around, they are too pricey for me. So of course my go-to here is to make one myself and save money. Here are the materials that we need. We will need measuring tools, some nails, pencil, saw, hammer, wood, and wood stain. First thing to do is to check the measurement of the Christmas tree feet so you would know the size of the box you will make and also decide how tall you want the box be. After you determine the dimensions of the box you want, then you can start measuring and cut the woods. For my box, I would like to use 15 inches of wood on all sides, and also I would like my box to be at least 12 inches tall and higher, so with the width of the wood that I have, I would like to use 4 pieces on each side, so I will need to cut 4 pieces of 14 inches wood for the stand and then start assembling the sides. So here I already assembled two sides and let's start the other two sides. So all four sides are done, and since I would like to raise my Christmas tree a little bit, so I cut here 13 inches wood for the middle part, and we are going to nail it at 12 inches height. So like I said, we are going to nail the three pieces of wood in the middle at 12 inches height. So this is how it looks like. And this is how it looks like now. I just smoothen up the sides a little bit with a sandpaper and it should be ready for the wood stain. So this is kind of like the last part of the project, the wood stain. So this wood stain will bring out the color and make it a little bit brighter. So after the wood stain, we can just dry it up and we can start putting up the Christmas tree. So wood staining is done and now we're just drying it up, and I did dry this up for a whole day. And here's the final outcome. It doesn't look that great, but I am still proud of my project. So now we have our Christmas tree standing, and now is the fun part, putting up the decorations. So for our Christmas tree, we're just using two colors and see how the outcome will be. We will be using gold and blue. And for the bows, I also made them myself, and I will be uploading another video to show you how I made those bows. And here's everything. Here's how it looks like, our Christmas tree and the Christmas tree box. Um, and the bows, I'm really so happy with the outcome. Merry Christmas, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed watching. And here's the complete list of the materials that I used for my box stand. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. That way you will be updated when we post new videos. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up.